Episode 6! Inside my Dubai property investment, purchase price, mortgage, and expectations. So guys, before I bought this property, I had a lot of questions in my head. Can an OFW purchase property in Dubai? Is the rental market strong here? What does the buying process actually look like? How much should be your salary for you to be able to qualify in a mortgage? So my answer to all of this are yes, it's possible. But it requires serious research and the right mindset. Our purchase was not an impulse decision. We studied this for a long time. When I say long time, guys, it's really a long time. Like, we started way back 2019, then we stopped, and then again, we start studying again in 2022. Yeah, so it's a long time. So, my mortgage has a monthly payment that fits comfortably with my current income. And my target is for the rental income to offset a large portion of the payment. This is a long-term play, not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're expecting big returns immediately, real estate is probably not for you. But if you are thinking 5 to 10 years to 15 years ahead, the perspective looks very different. So guys, nobody knows exactly what the market will do. What I can do is stick to my plan, keep paying the mortgage, and let the long term work for me. Kasi diba, like a decade ago when I came here in the UAE, I don't even know kung ano ang o-offer sa akin ng UAE nung pumunta ako dito. And luckily, I was able to find a very good job na nakatulong sa akin to start investing. Kasi ever since, alam mo, sometimes, meron tayong magandang sahod. Pero ang nangyayari kasi is, madami din tayong mga bagay na binibili na hindi naman talaga natin kailangan. So, the thing is, we have to make sure na mag-i-invest tayo. So, guys, going back, okay, the purchase price of the townhouse is 1.650 M. And then, the monthly mortgage that we are paying is close to 8,000 dirhams. Okay. What are my expectation on this property? The expectation is, like, in the next 3 to 5 years, I can sell this maybe at 2 million. So, I'm living into it, I'm renting it out, and then, I will still have the property appreciation. So, diba, ang galing, ang dami kong win-win situation dito sa property na to. So, paano? This journey of an OFW trying to build freedom before retirement, one investment, one business, and one lesson at a time. See you sa next video.